So sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder. I'm going to try this. It's Brianna's home style blush wine vinaigrette dressing. It looks delicious, so I'm gonna try this. Feta cheese, kettle glazed pecans. I found that this makes a huge difference in the strawberry and feta cheese salad. I have some croutons here that I'll just mix. It's a mixture of baby spinach, iceberg lettuce, and cilantro. Like I said, this was leftover from yesterday, and these are the veggies that I use for my nam chow. And as you can see, and put that all. So now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go make my salmon. I don't really like to cook indoors, especially if the weather's nice. So I'm gonna bring it outside and I'm gonna show you guys how I you know, quickly pan fry my salmon. All right, so I'm back. Just finished cooking the salmon. It came out pretty good. Look at that, delicious. So these are actually smaller portions than I thought. So I'm actually going to do 2, and then whatever I don't finish, I'm just gonna save it for a snack later or something. Top it off with some strawberries. Delicious strawberries. Show you guys what this looks like. My delicious salad. So not crumbles everywhere. So here's my salad. Looks so delicious. Yes, so I chopped up some of those. Put that in the salad. Can't wait to eat it. Ooh, wow, that's really good. It's not too sweet. Really like that. That's 2. So there you go. Let's be brave. I'm gonna go for a little bit more because I have a lot of greens underneath and I want to be able to finish everything. So, and this is my delicious salmon strawberry feta salad. I'm gonna eat this with chopstick because it just looks so amazing. And my salmon. It's a delicious, healthy lunch. Oh, I can't even get it. Wow. You guys have to make the salad.